Hi, this is Felipe and welcome to another Garrick Solutions video. Today we're going to talk about how to leverage automation for business development or more known as web scraping. So in a lot of the times, a lot of our different customers access different, let's say, website listings or search results to kind of find out who are potential customers or potential vendors or partners that they can work with. So let me give you one example. So let's say that I have a particular customer that wants to find out who are vendors that can provide a specific service in a specific area. So our customer recently had to find, in his particular case, companies in the engineering service that can provide soil testing for the specific area where they operate. So what we did was we created an automation where we would be able to search on Google or let's say Yellow Pages or a different business listing and be able to scrape that data to be able to have it in a consolidated format, in our client's case, Excel or CSV or a CSV file. This is much better to look at and analyze versus just web scraping or just doing copying and pasting with your mouse, just because it's very time consuming. It doesn't really look nice. And what we can do is through automation, we can highlight in specific websites kind of what to pick up and what to copy and what to paste into a list. And that might be an easier way to manage the data. And eventually you can also upload this information into your CRM, or think of it as a system where you have access to all your potential customers or all your new leads. So this is a way that you can pull data and then eventually consolidate it into your own system to be able to analyze into different patterns or different types of customers or vendors that you want to reach out to depending on the situation. Another example for web scraping is we have another customer that they're constantly looking for companies that have certain parts listed for sale in their particular industry and web space. So in the industry, what's common is they search a particular website, and for the search result, depending on the different part type. And what we can do is we can then automate that process of scraping the information of those search results so that our customer can then see, okay, who are the companies that constantly sell these types of products? And then that might be beneficial for him to be able to link or interact or establish a longer term relationship with those particular vendors, for him to be able to get more competitive pricing, reduce their through economies of scale. If they buy more in bulk, can they build a business relationship? Or for example, I manufacture products that I know specific customers might want to buy, so I can then create a listing of all of these potential buyers and then reach out to them. But leveraging automation to extract information from websites, from databases, not depending on the level of scope. Here we want to only focus on websites or search engine results, to be able to consolidate your information and better manage that data. Because it's what we tell our clients, it's easier to look at data when it's consolidated, when it's organized, when it's in table format. Then you can kind of take a look at what region in the world do they operate, what products do they sell. So it's a better way for senior management or your leadership or your managers to be able to look at all the information versus browsing, which becomes a very informal and unstructured data set. So I hope this has been helpful, and please check us out in more videos to come. And if you also have any other questions or you would like us to answer any specific topic, just please let us know and we'll be happy to make a video about it. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.